Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying your Roblox email and opening the account security settings. This gives you access to two-step verification options. Once done, install Google Authenticator on your phone so it's ready when Roblox shows a QR or secret key. Make sure you're logged into the Roblox web interface and on the two-step setup screen before switching to your phone. Doing these steps in sequence prevents lost codes and speeds the process. You'll now link the apps. Open Google Authenticator and scan Roblox's QR code, or tap to enter the manual secret key if scanning fails. After adding the account, Authenticator shows a 6-digit code that changes. Enter that code on Roblox and submit to confirm. Once accepted, copy and securely store any backup or recovery code Roblox provides. These let you regain access if you lose your phone. Make sure to label the entry in Authenticator so you recognize it later. You're almost done. Log out of Roblox and perform a fresh login to confirm the Authenticator code works for sign-in. Make sure to keep the backup key offline in a safe place and update alternative recovery options like a secondary email. If anything goes wrong, first sync your phone's clock with network time because time drift breaks codes. Then try re-adding the account using the saved secret key. If problems persist, use Roblox account recovery with your backup information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.